told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
Alright, we got the lock loops. I've had these loops for I don't know how long, y'all. This is the styling mousse that I'll be using today. This is the first time I've used this. I have the Manuka honey and I can't think of what the other name is, but so this is freshly washed hair. I don't know when I'm getting my retie, but we're just sectioning off the front. Do you see the grid? The grid is not bad. So once again, I've never used these before. They look like several small sections and lightly spread. Take the first section of hair, wrap it around the ends, working your way up to the scalp. If you want smaller curls, use less hair per curl. Let's see what I could do. Spritzing just a little bit of water. Ooh, I like the way it smells. That smells good. I like the way that smells. So let's see. Now do I start here? Tucking my hair? Oh baby. Oh yeah. Baby. So the roll was actually okay. Let's try the next section. Okay. And then we're gonna, am I rolling it under or over? I think I'm rolling it over. Okay. Okay. Let's go. I don't know why it's coming out like that. The consistency is really kind of weird, kind of watery. So I probably only do one pump next time. So we're going to take pieces, we're going to roll them, and then we're going to, I don't know what I'm doing. I guess in the back. So now that I did 3 on this side, I'm going to do 3 on this side. I think I'll be able to do 3. I'm not really sure. We're about to see to make it make sense. I'm gonna put this up there. Just a little bit, a little setting spray, not that much. I think something's wrong with the mechanism. Tuck in that, roll and tuck that shit, then roll with it. Yeah, this one has a lot of hair on it. Come on, you are good. Moving on, the next one, I think that's too much. This is gonna be 3. A little bit of rose water, nothing too crazy. Okay, wait, baby. Got those in there. Curling it. Okay. That one's taut. She's taut. She's gonna be T. That one right there is gonna be T. Going to be T, baby. Going to wrap. So far, these are really easy to use. I really like them so far. I really like these. I'm gonna put these up here. I think I have too much hair on here, but we gonna make it work. We're gonna curl those ends. We're going to tuck them. Forgot about the falling. Tuck those. And we're just gonna roll. Gonna pull it kind of taut. Find the hole. Okay. Oh, literally. There we go. Not bad. I ain't gonna hold you. It's low-key giving me my wrap upon onto itself kind of look. Remember, we pulled this out, but this is part of the front. So we're just gonna undo that back piece, lap that down, and then wrap this up. It's a lot of hair. All right. Now this one I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do very, very small sections on this one. That's too big of a section, baby. There we go. For this, I'm doing 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 locks. Gonna wrap it, tuck it, wrap it. Come on. Let's roll that back. There we go. Now, let's just do that a lot of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my God, it's been so long since I seen my two-headed dragon. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh, how are you? I don't even remember when we combined him. Oh, look at him. Just a baby. Gonna do a couple. Oh, no. Come on. All right. No. Don't be doing that bullshit. Come on.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder.
Let's take it down. Now, I don't know what to expect, and I'm just going to do it a little bit, and then I want to slide it off. That's kind of upsetting. So what we're going to do is we're going to curl that. You know, it's all about the way you curl your hair. We're just going to take them down, and we're not going to undo them yet. I'm so dramatic. Ooh. Some of them are literally falling on their own. Ooh, that one got stuck. At this point, I think the back piece is out. We're gonna just do a little turny turn. As you can see, the weight has started to take over. Start moving closer to the front. Let's see what this one's looking like. That's honestly terrible. That's unfortunate. Yeah. My bigger locks just always misbehave. I can already tell that that's not going to be good. Just from the thickness, I would have definitely did more or smaller sections in the back for sure. This one's barely hanging on. Okay, son, peek through, son. Ow, that one kind of hurt. You're almost done. Now let's kind of shake them. Oh, forgot I had put a hairpin in there. There's a hairpin somewhere. Just gonna uncurl. All the curls are leaving. All the curls I had are leaving. This is why I don't like doing loose hairstyles. Because what? Kept them in for a day and I use setting spray. Look at this one. This one's like straight. A whole bunch of nothing. A whole bunch of nothing. Would I recommend this? I wouldn't recommend this to someone who has long locks. They were great to sleep in, but the results to me are very mediocre. It's so promising in the beginning when you're unraveling them. I would recommend these lock loops to someone who had shorter locks. I feel like once your hair just gets long, the sheer weight of your hair will weigh down any curls. And it's the unfortunate downside to having locks. Now, do my ends look amazing? Yes, my ends look amazing. The back really didn't curl like I would have liked it to, but it did something. This would be a cute updo, you know, like that. Cute, something light, nothing crazy, possibly. Something cute, big, possibly, maybe. I'm gonna push it away from my face a little bit. Give it some kind of life. This did nothing. Look, literally nothing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video using lock loops on my hair for the first time. Comment down below if you have any questions. Like this video up if you enjoyed it. Let YouTube know that you feeling me, and share your location, baby. Share your location by turning on those bell notifications and let them know that we go together, our relationship status, by subscribing. Yes, go ahead and do that. Let YouTube know we go together real bad. I'm your good sis. You're my good sis, okay? I'm about to get dressed and go to Jazzy Sundays in the park. It's overcasty today, but the sun is peeking its head, so it should be a nice day. Hopefully the mosquitoes are not out. I'm gonna try and hold on to these curls as long as possible. Oh, In total, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. I used a total of 41 lock loops, and a total of 30 come in one container. That's not bad. The lock loops were very easy to sleep in. I will say that. Oh, 40. Did I just drop this one? 42. The lock loops were very easy to sleep in. It was no discomfort at all. I love that. That was a good part about it. Mm-hmm.